Hi everyone, and welcome to the Excel module. Excel is a spreadsheet program, and it's used quite a bit in business and industry, any type of payroll or accounting, but it can also be used for some database-like applications. So it's a really powerful tool. Generally, students kind of like Excel when I teach this course, so hopefully you'll learn something new. Okay, so in this module, this is just the video that you're watching, and then as always we have our what's due when, and I'm just gonna change this so it's a little bit nicer format for you to see. Okay, it contains, our student learning outcome, which is to be able to create a professional quality spreadsheet. This goes through step by step all the assignments and activities, and there's a link to our course schedule. And next what you'll see, and this is going to follow the same format as the Word module. There'll be, there's an Excel lecture folder, part 1, and inside of here there's some videos that you need to watch, and then there's an Excel project 1. Initially, when you open this module, these are the only things that you'll will have any content in them. So you'll notice the rest of these folders. This will open on October 18th, as will this and the second project. And then we have our quiz on Tuesday, November 1st. So the first thing you're going to be doing is the first Excel lecture and the first Excel project. Then we'll be moving on to the second lecture series, followed by our discussion, an assignment, a second project, and a quiz. So let me go in here to the project. And there is some very helpful information in this video. It shows you my project, kind of shows you exactly what you need to do, so be sure you watch this video. And then here you have your instructions, and you can click on this link to see the instruction sheet. So once the first project is submitted, this part will open up. We have Excel Lecture 2. There's 3 different video series in here. You have to watch all 3 of them to get credit for the videos. And then, as always, we have a discussion. It'll follow the same format as the Word. Discussion, an assignment, again the same format as the Excel assignment. Keep in mind that the assignment is kind of there to ask you questions, to make you reflect back and think about what you learned, and that will help you on the quiz. And then next you'll have the second project. The second project is going to start with your worksheet from the first project, and it's going to add to it. So you do need to complete the first one. And again, I will have a video in here for you to watch regarding the second project, and then the project itself. And again, you won't see any of this until October 18th. And lastly, we'll have a quiz, which will follow the same format as the Word quiz. So all of the due dates are located, right? What's due when, you can click on this course schedule. They are also all on the course calendar. And let me just scroll down here. You'll see the first one, the Excel lecture part 1 on the 14th, project 1 on the 17th. And then for the 28th, Excel lecture part 2, the discussion, the assignment. The following week, the discussion response, project 2, and the quiz. As always, if you have any questions, if you need any help with your project, please feel free to email me. Okay, get started.